Tired of tax season anxiety? Do you dread poring over receipts, deciphering tax codes, and wondering if you've left money on the table? If you're like millions of people, the answer is a resounding yes. And that's exactly why tax software exists. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one for your specific financial situation? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle between two of the biggest names in the tax preparation world, Wealthsimple Tax and TurboTax. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from pricing and features to ease of use and customer support, helping you decide which platform will lead you to a stress-free filing experience and, hopefully, your maximum refund. For years, TurboTax has been the household name, synonymous with online tax filing. They've built a reputation for their user-friendly interface and comprehensive offerings. But in recent years, a newer, agile player has emerged, disrupting the market with an innovative approach, Wealthsimple Tax. Formerly known as SimpleTax, Wealthsimple Tax has gained immense popularity, particularly for its pay-what-you-want model, which immediately sets it apart. So, is the old guard still the best, or has the newcomer truly revolutionized tax filing? Let's find out. We'll start by looking at pricing. This is often the first thing people consider, and it's where Wealthsimple Tax truly shines. Wealthsimple Tax operates on a pay-what-you-want model for its basic plan. This means you can literally file your taxes for $0. Yes, you heard that right, absolutely free. You have the option to make a donation if you feel the service is valuable, but there's no obligation. This makes it incredibly appealing, especially for those with simpler tax situations or who are looking to save every penny. They do offer paid tiers, a plus plan for about $40 plus tax that includes audit protection and priority support, and a pro plan for roughly $80 plus tax that adds a one-on-one consultation with a tax expert. However, the core offering of free filing remains their undeniable competitive edge. Now, let's compare that to TurboTax. TurboTax is known for its tiered pricing structure, which can get a bit complex. While they do offer a free edition for very simple returns, typically W-2 income, basic credits like the child tax credit, and the standard deduction, anything beyond that, and you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid version. The deluxe package, which handles itemized deductions and some credits, typically costs around $69 to $89 for federal, plus an additional fee for state filing. If you have investments, rental properties, or are self-employed, you'll need their premier or premium versions, which can range from $115 to $149 for federal, again with added state fees. If you want live expert assistance or a full review by a tax professional, TurboTax Live options can push the price even higher, potentially into the hundreds of dollars. The key takeaway here is that while TurboTax has a free option, it's often limited, and the costs can quickly escalate depending on the complexity of your tax situation. Next up, let's talk about ease of use. Both platforms aim to simplify the tax filing process, but they approach it slightly differently. Wealthsimple Tax is renowned for its clean, intuitive, and minimalist interface. It's designed to be straightforward, presenting your entire tax return on a single page, which means less clicking around and waiting for pages to load. The platform uses a question and answer format, guiding you step by step through the process. It automatically applies relevant deductions and credits, and your refund amount is calculated in real time as you input information. They've also made it incredibly easy to import previous year's tax data and use autofill features from the CRA for Canadian users. Even for more complex situations like self-employment or investment income, the layout remains organized and manageable. TurboTax, on the other hand, also boasts an excellent user experience, often praised for its interview-style approach. It breaks down complex tax topics into simple, understandable questions, making it feel less like you're filling out forms and more like you're having a conversation. TurboTax is also excellent at providing helpful explanations, examples, and tooltips throughout the process. They offer features like Snap and Autofill for W-2s and 1099s, and a complete check scan that reviews your return for accuracy before filing. For those who appreciate detailed guidance and hand-holding, TurboTax's comprehensive approach can be very reassuring. However, some users might find the multiple screens and detailed prompts a bit more time-consuming compared to Wealthsimple Tax's streamlined, single-page view. Now, let's delve into features and capabilities. What can each of these platforms handle? Wealthsimple Tax, despite its simple appearance and free offering, is surprisingly robust. It supports a wide range of tax situations, from basic employment income to more complex scenarios. This includes self-employment and business income, T2125 for Canadians, Schedule C for US. It can guide you through deducting business expenses. Rental income helps you account for rental property income and expenses. Investment income, T5 for Canadians, Schedules D and E, K1s for US handles interest, dividends, capital gains, and losses. Cryptocurrency transactions, a notable feature that allows you to link crypto wallets and automatically calculate capital gains or losses. This is a huge plus for crypto traders. Donations and medical expenses automatically optimizes the split for these to maximize your return. Autofill My Return seamlessly imports tax slips and investment info from the CRA, Canada, or IRS, US, though capabilities may vary slightly. Accuracy Guarantee. Wealthsimple Tax guarantees the accuracy of its calculations and will reimburse you for any penalties or interest due to their computational errors. Audit Protection, available with their Plus plan, providing assistance in case of an audit. TurboTax, being a long-standing industry leader, also offers a comprehensive suite of features, often catering to an even broader spectrum of tax situations and offering more in-depth guidance for specific complexities. Its key features include extensive deduction finder. TurboTax claims to search for hundreds of deductions and credits to maximize your refund. With their new AI-powered Intuit Assist feature for 2025, they aim to further enhance this. Support for all tax situations. This includes W-2 income, itemized deductions, small business income, Schedule C, rental income, Schedule E, investments, Schedule D, and more. State tax filing integration smoothly integrates federal and state tax filing, often transferring information between the two to save time. Year-over-year transfer allows you to easily import data from previous year's TurboTax returns or even PDFs from other tax software. Audit Defense, offered as an add-on or included in higher-tiered plans, providing professional representation if you're audited. Live Expert Help. With TurboTax Live Assisted or Full Service, you can get unlimited advice from tax experts or even have a professional prepare and file your return for you. This human element is a significant draw for many. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.